now.
Your guy go to blow. Oh boy, see game.
What this can get me? Oh boy, you better.
You don't know how to bet game. You don't know how to bet game. See, man, you with Chelsea.
I thought I said that I win there.
72,000, all chopper. I don't blow. Promise how you. Kind of ballon for you, make I check my game first.
For you.
But don't come and spoil my love.
Uncle Chris, I have a question.
Yeah. Which question is that one now? Come on, we get that from this place. You this small.
Calm down now. It's not ordinary question. Ask your question, Daddy.
Please, what are you guys holding in your hand?
Yeah. You can imagine question.
Leave her now. It's better than just sleep.
Uncle, please, I have another question.
Question. See you there.
Take it easy. Take it easy, King Dave. Let her ask a question.
Uncle, do you guys sit for your jam this year?
Yeah? We start for jam now. We start for jam.
What do you guys score in your jam?
See question no. I scored 10.
Jesus! Me, I scored 15.
Will you keep quiet?
Uncle, how much do you guys use for this bed night? That's me.
She want to give us back our money. She want to give. It's ordinary 200. It's ordinary 200. It's ordinary 200.
Instead of you to add that 200 to that 10 and 15 to add 210, 250, you went and use it and buy bed night. That's me. When you see your mate driving car, you say that your village people after you. And this one can make you tell you nonsense.
How possible we hear of this?
Yeah, let's go to the taboo.
Come on, Abu.
Let's go to the taboo. Let's go to the